Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going through my October kit lineup, and of course it is spooky month, but it is also my birthday. And this year I'm not using a Halloween or birthday set, so let's get straight into it. As you saw, the last week of September is going to be this goth doll sort of leading into Halloween time. So we're going to start with October 7th through the 13th. And I'm using Wicked Cute from SPC. And this is like my main Halloween art for this year. You just have like this super cute movie night. I love the orange, pink, and black all together. I just had to put this in as soon as I could because I thought it'd be a great way to kick off the spooky season, but also it's the week before my birthday, so it's kind of like, you know, an insert birthday set. And I'm going to pair it with two foil bundles I'm going to be mixing together. We of course have a Black Stars bundle from SPC, and it's pretty simple. Got some bougie. This is an old style format, but we've got everything we really need in there. And then I'm going to pair it with this confetti sparkly orange foil. It's like also a simple design, and I could possibly layer the confettis over each other, maybe turn them upside down so they're slightly different, so they'll be black and orange. I think that'll be really fun. This is a semi-newer set, so we have like the newer scripts in the orange, which is nice. But yeah, I think the orange and black is going to be really fun with this set. Just make it a bit more bright, and like, when do I ever use orange foil? So I'm going to go super traditional in that sense. And then of course we got lots of pink. We got the matching doodle icons that are collections that are in pink and orange. So I'm going to pull those in as well as all my Halloween stickers. That is the first full week. And the second week, October 14th to the 20th, is my birthday. My birthday is on the 16th of October. And usually I use actually a Halloween set, but this year we are going to London for my birthday. And the main reason we're going to London is because of a play and a stage adaptation of Dr. Strangelove, starring Steve Coogan. And it was starting in October, so that was my reasoning for getting tickets. And I ended up buying tickets on my birthday. And then we're staying like parts of the week. So we have another night, like full day and night afterwards, on the 17th. So I was like, you know what, let's just go to another theater thing because we're in the area and we might as well. So I got tickets for Hadestown, the musical. So I thought with all of that, I should actually just, instead of using a London kit, which I don't have one at the moment, nor do I have like a really like spooky or Halloweeny or autumn kind of London kit, so I decided I would use my theatre art. And I am being extra picky because it's my birthday spread, so I've got the Ultimate Kit theatre art from SPC. And I did ask Andre if she could print me off a little playbill of Hadestown to put in my spread. Yeah, this is the normal ordinary the normal Ultimate Kit. I actually recently bought this. I never originally got it, so I don't have any of the extras because they have left, you know, they've left the store. So I think she may have done these for the individual plays, but I can't remember. But they weren't available, so I have plenty of boxes to choose from. But I'm going to be ultra picky here, and I didn't love the red curtain bottom washi. So I picked up the mini kit from Caress Press, and I also picked up this person, just singular box with brown hair, because she wasn't in the normal art in the Scribble Prints Co one. I wanted to use her, so I picked it up, and it's literally just the mini set, so there isn't much to it, but I kind of liked the blue with stars bottom washi better. So I'm going to bring this in instead and replace this red one, but I'll still keep the black. But yeah, this is pretty much why I got it. Plus now I have an extra few boxes that I might want to choose from, including that person. But yeah, it just depends on what I want to choose. But yeah, I decided I just go all out because it's my birthday week, so I'm going to use both kits together and make it perfection. Although both kits separately are perfect. I'm just, I'm just being picky. So I'm going to pair this actually with this star foil bundle, and this is a newer format. And the foil on it is gold with stars inside of it. And the new format does have star bottom underlays, which I think I can live with. But we've got the new scripts and the new icons and all this page here. And let me show you with the torch the foil. You see that it's like confetti plus it has stars in it, and I thought that'd be just really fun. Really fun and bright to go with this set and really give it a punch. And then I've just got some champagne lights, hull reinforcers to go with it. For this week, I'm just going to use clear hull reinforcers because I've got a bunch of them. And I don't have anything else I could really use. Although I really should pick up some black designs because that would be useful too. But that is what I'm going to use for my birthday week when I go and see a play and a musical in London. And we're also hoping to go to hopefully Covent Gardens, maybe an art gallery, maybe a bookstores, maybe a bunch of stuff. We definitely want to go to a grocery store so we can get some stuff. Maybe a Primark, but yeah. It's going to be fun, hopefully. I just need to rest and relax after that's done. But then the next week is October 21st to the 27th. And I'm using this kit. I can't remember if this is from last year maybe, or is it from the year before? You have to let me know. I think it was from last year, but this is Let's Have a Seance, and this was Darcy Halloween art the other year. I think it was last year, but it could be the year before. I can't recall. But it's in my collection. I'm like, I gotta use this, It's so pretty. I want to use it, get it actually used. So here we are. It's only got the one doodle sheet, but that's okay. But this is like a more pink and then the green version than my Wicked art, sort of more play on that sort of theme. But I thought it looked really pretty and I've been wanting to use it, so finally pulling that out of my collection. And I'm going to use the Caress Press Witches Foil Bundle, which in gold, because I thought gold would suit well with this set. Just with this shade of pink and green. Just gold felt right to me. So we got lots of cute little witchy designs, which I thought would look good with this set because, well, I feel like Darcy and witches make sense, even though she has a witch art out this year. But I feel like this is a bit too cutesy for that set. But also it has the cutesy vibes a bit. So I thought they went well together. And yeah, so that is the foil bundle I'm using, and then that means I get to use a proper themed foil bundle. And then for the very last week of this kit lineup, for the week of Halloween, October 28th through November 3rd, I'm using Screamathon from Scribble Prints Co. This was the exclusive art that I did for Andre this year for Halloween, and originally I had Let's Have a Seance on Halloween week, but I decided to swap these two because I just felt like this is more classic Halloween for me. And I'll definitely be at home, snuggling up, watching movies. So I've got some extra colors here, pattern boxes. I've got everything here, but I've got 2 copies of this, so anything I don't use will go to the other copy. But yeah, this is just nostalgic Christmas. Nostalgic Halloween. Sorry, I'm drawing Christmas right now. It's on my mind. But, well, granted that Halloween didn't exist in Australia, especially in the 90s, but growing up. But I always watch Halloween stuff on the movies and TV, and it just really makes me think of Hocus Pocus and all that, so love that. And then you don't get the full picture here because I won't have the foil in. If you watched my last sticker haul, you were seeing that I bought some stuff that was Scream themed because we have Scream here and also like the mask, person wearing the mask in the costume. So I thought it'd be fun to use that Scream stuff from Planet Choco, but I got it in the matte orange and it was the completely wrong shade of orange. So I have reordered it in copper foil, which I was able to look and compare it, and it's much closer to this orange. So copper foil is coming for those Scream designs, but it will only just shipped. I don't know if it's actually going to arrive in time for my next, like, in my US box for the end of October. We will see. It's like right at the end of the month, so it might make it in, but I'm afraid I can't show you that foil. But the main thing I'm going to be using with this is this sparkly purple confetti bundle. So let's do the torch again so you can see the sparkle. It's like a fatter sparkle. But I really love this idea of having like all the purple, and then it's going to have a touch of the copper orange as well. So again, playing up those like Halloween colors. We've got the black and the orange. We've got the purple and the orange or copper. So I'm really excited for that. But yeah, it'll be mostly purple. And then there'll be the copper bottom washi, the copper like deco bits, a full box overlay, and then I think some hole reinforcers too. But the rest is all going to be this purple. So I think it's going to be really fun. And I'm sorry I can't show you the whole thing here, but you know, it happens. Sometimes foils just don't match, so you got to reorder. But yeah, I'm really excited for this spread. And I can either just hold off on filming it until later, or I will just put the like foil bits on. I guess I'll just wait to film it until I have you know, the proper overlays. But yeah, so that is everything for Halloween time, October. I try to fit in as much Halloween as I could this month because I did have my birthday week, which is a completely different theme, but I feel like it still like fits within the month because it's like darker colors. But yeah, but I feel like everything I chose is very like Halloween party, Halloween hanging out celebration otherwise. So I feel like it also adds to the birthday month as well, because this could also be a birthday kit. This could be a birthday kit. I feel like this could be a, you know, it could be a birthday kit. So yeah, so that's everything I'm using for October. Let me know, are we twinning at all? Are you using any of these kits for October? Have you got anything else going? Do you still, have you used this one before? Or are you still holding it? I don't want to hold it anymore. I want to use it. So she's in there, and we love a Darcy at Halloween time. But yeah, that is everything for this month. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. I love you. Bye bye.